My precious, precious moments. Eee! Fun, precious moments. Yay. I'm just having fun with this new camera. This is too fun. Let's do some special effects here. Bam! This is lots of fun. Looks like we figured out something here. What can I talk about? Well, let's see if Tiggy will come over to see Daddy. I don't know. Oh, there's an artifact. Woo! Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello. Ooh, it's a Christmas card. Yay. Ooh, roses. Hello. Gonna shoot me? Oops, snapshot. Yay. Press this moment again. Yeah. I'm bored. Bored and having fun. Woohoo! Party time. Bam again. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, yeah, yeah. On board.